Hi guys, Masker here. I'm here to share with you some really exciting news today. Behind me is our brand newly developed AV8000 Allvac unit. I want to share with you three features that I think you'll really love. So first and foremost is the 8,000 litre tank, and we've designed this with septic tanks and grease traps in mind, effluent removal. So think about those long distances we travel rurally to get those far-reaching septic tanks. Really great with that extra capacity. So the next feature I want to point out that I really love is the low cab height. And believe it or not, I've cleaned septic tanks for 20 years in the past. So think about driving down those rural driveways with those overhanging trees, nice and low. And I'll tell you what, the low entry cab, one step and you're straight in. So really good when you're doing those grease traps in town, when you're in and out of the truck all the time, perfect. So the other features I wanted to talk about was this front loading valve. Really good if you're in those tight spots down those alleyways with a grease trap and you don't have access to your rear valves. And also this platform, super easy to get onto, straight up. So you can use your manway, open your manway to clean your tank and also access your final filter here. Super easy. Also the removable cone holder, so if you're not needing it, pop it away. So guys, there's so many more features we could talk about. The 200 litre water tank, the airbag suspension, but if you need more information, please reach out. Thank you.